Hello everyone, this is a review of Nexus 4 that I got just last week. This one is a brand new one, and you can probably see it has still this protective foil on it, and it runs really good, really fast, and I'm very happy. I was very happy till today, because what I wanted to share with you is what happened to that phone, what happened to its back. As you can probably see right now, it's broken. What can I say about it? I promise I didn't drop it, I didn't do anything to it. I just don't know when that happened at all. I just looked at it today. It was laying all the time near my laptop, and when I just wanted to make the screen clear and the back, of course, then I just saw that it's just broken, like I would drop it, or I don't know. I have no idea how and when did it happen. As you can see on this side, you just probably can't see any sign of that it was dropped at all, because it wasn't. It just is. This bag is from glass, and it fits very good, but it's very thin plate made from glass, and when you are making something like that, it just happens. Maybe it was because of this temperature. I'm not really sure. I don't know when did it happen to it, and it wasn't dropped for sure. I'm really disappointed about it, and just wanted to share with you guys, and maybe some of you could tell me what can I do about it. And I wanted to get you aware that it happens sometimes with Nexus 4, because when you try to get some infos about it on the Google, when you try to find out what is the problem with Nexus other than with LG, you'll probably get some answers about it. So it's not just me that it's not just my Nexus that looks like that right now, but I heard just about some others that they didn't broke it, this back side of this phone, and it's broke itself. This is very bad for a phone. It feels, in this particular here, it feels really bad. It's just normal glass here, and it's not like a Gorilla Glass or anything. I just really took care of it, and it broke anyway. So this is supposed to be a very quick review also. I will see you next time, maybe with some other better phone. See you.